Ready to ditch the project management chaos and unlock seamless collaboration with the power of Asana? We're diving straight in to show you how to make your Asana project public, enabling effortless sharing with anyone who has the link first. Navigate to the project you want to share, just click on its name in your sidebar. Next, look for the project details menu. It's usually represented by 3 dots or a small arrow next to your project's name at the top. Click on that to open the menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll find a share option. Click on share to open the project sharing settings. A new window will pop up here. You'll see different options for sharing your project. Locate the Make Project Public option. It will usually have a description indicating that anyone with the link can view the project. Toggle the switch to the on position. Asana might give you a warning about the implications of making the project public, so read it carefully to understand the visibility. Once you've made the project public, a unique project link will be generated. You'll usually see a copy link button right next to it. Click that button to copy the link to your clipboard. Now you can share this link with anyone you want to give view-only access to your project. Paste it into emails, messaging apps, or any platform where you want to share it. Remember, anyone with this link can see your project, so share it responsibly.